Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to start a new series of videos on using ChatGPT to do MidJourney prompts that are 5 minutes or less. And I wish I would have thought of this sooner because I think that there's interest in shorter videos and it's quicker for me as well. So let's see if I can accomplish this in 5 minutes or less. So this video is about how to use the image capability of ChatGPT, image analyzing ability of ChatGPT as a basis for a prompt. So what I did was I started a new session in ChatGPT and I uploaded an image of MidJourney. And this was the image that I uploaded. This is actually a MidJourney image, but you could use an actual image of ChatGPT, of Monet. Isn't that a beautiful image? I think it's wonderful. So I use this as the basis for the prompt that I wanted to do. But if you go to Google and you put in Monet PNG, it will bring up Monet images that are from Monet paintings, actual Monet paintings, and you can download them onto your computer and then upload them just using this paperclip thingy right here. You click on the paperclip, and wherever you have the image in your file system, you just select it, open it, and then it will bring it into the ChatGPT session. So that's what I did for this image. And then what I did was I went to MidJourney and I did Explore and I typed in Monet. And obviously this technique would work for anything that you're interested in. You could use an artistic technique, you can use a painter, photographer, just anything you can think of. And I looked through some of the prompts. I liked this prompt here. So I copied and pasted. You can just do copy prompt. I copied the prompt into the ChatGPT session. And so when I gave it the image, it just described it because that's what it does by default. And then I said, here's a MidJourney prompt to pattern after, and I copied and pasted this prompt that I just showed from here, put it in the ChatGPT session, and I said, here's a MidJourney prompt to pattern after. And I gave it the prompt in quotes, and I actually forgot to say, based on the image that you saw. So it did blah, blah, blah. And then I said, I meant to add for the image you just saw. And then it adapted it. It did, exactly what I wanted, which was it used the prompt that I gave as a pattern based on the image that I saw. And this is a very powerful, very easy technique to use. You just find any prompt that you like that somebody did from MidJourney and follow the same thing. Use any image you like, any prompt you like, tell ChatGPT, use this as a pattern, come up with a prompt. And then when I ran that prompt in MidJourney, I'll show you the images that it came up with. I'll go to my images, and these are the images that it came up with. These are the batch of 4. And you can see that these are, really pretty prompts that it came up with. Well, thanks for watching, and if you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments.